So today we are going to make kefir. This is the one I had made earlier. I'll get some sieve, some pan. Now this is some ready-made kefir. As you can see inside, that's how it looks like. This is how it is. So I'm going to just give it a tap, then pass it over through a sieve. Then using a spoon, we'll do this slowly as they go through over the sieve. Then we'll have milk on the other side, as you can see. These are the kefir grains. This is what you use to make the next batch. So we'll put it aside for now. We'll leave it here. We'll wash this. Since I only use this one, I'll wash it clean, wipe it, then we'll use it to make the next batch. It has to be dry. It is good when the glass is dry. So we'll wipe it dry. Now once it's dry, we will leave it to dry for some time. So here there is milk. Now it's dry, so we'll take it. Now I bring the grains. These are the grains. Get the grains. Now onto the fresh milk. You just add the kefir. With a pepper, like this, then like this. Close it to be airtight. Put it here. Yes.